In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my cart on Short Story. To get started, open the official Short Story website in your browser. Once the site loads, head to the sign-in page so you can access your account details and current order. This is where you'll be able to view the items connected to your box and continue to the checkout area. When you're on the sign-in screen, enter your account email address and password, then click Sign In. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you've used more than one email in the past. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken into your account dashboard where you can manage your short story box. From there, look for your current box or order. You'll want to open the active curation tied to your account. This is the section that shows the items that were selected for you. If you've already received your box and tried everything on, this is where you can begin reviewing what you want to do with each item. Now take a moment to review all of the clothing and accessories included in your current box. Go through each item carefully so you can decide what you want to keep and what you plan to send back. It helps to check everything before moving forward so your checkout choices are accurate. Once you've reviewed your items, select the checkout option. Short Story instructs customers to check out online after trying on their box, so this is the step where you confirm your decisions. After entering checkout, mark the items you want to keep. For anything you don't want, mark those items for return or exchange, depending on the options available in your account. Next, review your total carefully. Look at the individual item prices and make sure your styling fee credit has been applied correctly. Short Story currently charges a $25 styling fee, and that amount is credited toward purchases from your current box. Double checking this part can help you avoid confusion before finalizing your order. Finally, review your selections one more time along with your payment information. This is a good time to make sure everything is correct, including the items you're keeping and any returns you've marked. When everything looks right, complete the checkout process to submit your final choices. And that's how to check your cart on Short Story. If you follow these steps in order, you'll be able to review your box, confirm what you're keeping, and finish checkout smoothly.